I'm going to show you the place where I'm in. This is called Gettysburg, Maryland, suburban USA. This house is, has so much space for lawns, and you see the houses and the well-managed lawns, and there is so much space between each house, and the lawns are very well maintained. Now, it is the springtime in America, where you see the leaves moving up and see that greenery all around. And you see the lawn, how carefully they manage. And it is quite peaceful here, with no traffic as such. At the house, the 10 minutes. You can see that again. I'm going back. So you can see the greenery around you, the quietness of the surroundings, and it's very quiet here. Thought. So let me take you through this for another couple of minutes. And, enjoy the scenario. You can see the suburban part of Maryland where I live. You may be watching some of my videos. Last year I traveled to Ladakh. I traveled 2,500 kilometers in Ladakh mountains. And it was successful. I posted some of the videos and some of you have watched it. But now today I thought I should show you the neighborhood, where I'm living. It's quite a place. I hope you all enjoy this video. My intention is to show you the different aspects of life here in America. It's quite awkward to show you the life of the Washington DC. This is around 50 miles from where I live. It's called more like a rural area. You can see all the homes are well separated, for single family homes. And this room was just looking at the right. And today it's a cloudy day, as you can see, but there is order here. So this is one segment I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoy this.